What's up, everyone? It's KB from Michael KB. Well, I should just say it's Michael KB back again with the first video on the channel. Number one, you can see right here my hand. And I'm probably talking mad loud from the camera because I'm right in front of the mic, and that's what I do. Alright, so this is the first video, and this is our first unboxing. And this was originally going to be I was going to do one unboxing for the iPhone and one unboxing for the iPad, but I ordered a bunch of other stuff that came in today too, so I figured, hey, why not just do I don't want to call it a massive tech unboxing because, you know, our boy, your ass consumer calls it that. So I'm going to call this it's not even massive, so I'm just call it a unboxing roulette. There we go, unboxing roulette. We got the name. All right, so, you know, we should probably start with the big dog right here. You know, this is the new iPhone 12 Pro in gold. This is the 512 gigabyte. I will explain why I got this one and not the lower gig. And that's because this channel is about getting the best deal, right? So there's that. We have also bought a Magic Trackpad because I am now using my monitor more often with my MacBook, and because I got this iPad, I didn't want a Magic keyboard no more. I had a Magic keyboard for my 12.9 inch, but if I have a MacBook Pro, that kind of defeats the purpose of having the laptop, right? So there's that. You got some phone cases for phone case and screen protector for this bad boy right here. We have multi-device Logitech keyboard because I want to connect it to the iPad just in case I do need to do typing on it, but also want to connect it to my MacBook too when it's docked. So those two together. Then of course screen protectors for iPad and the iPad Air right here. In rose gold, I should say, by the way. I'm gonna let y'all wait. We're gonna start with this one right here, the iPad Air. So you saw that? I always love doing that. All right, if there's any background noises, I apologize in advance. There's a truck coming on the way here, so I gotta be careful with the sound. All right, here it is. Here's the iPad Air. I was cleaning it off, so some of the Clorox wipe got through the box of plastic, but it should not affect anything else. All right, just gonna set this down. I'm gonna open this bad boy right here. Okay, there we go. It's my first time doing a tech unboxing like up this way. I always just try to do it sitting down, and that doesn't make for good content. Ooh, this thing is light, and it feels amazing to hand. I used to have like an old iPad was just one-handed, so when I upgraded to the Pro, it was huge, at the 12.9 inch specifically, and I'm liking this way better. I'm liking this rose gold. Rose gold is not just for women, okay? Men, you can wear rose gold and be okay with it too. This is alright. But I'm liking the rose gold so far. The reason I got rose gold was because I have a Note 20 Ultra that I'm recording with right now. And to test out my camera, because I'm not going to buy $1,000, well, this phone. I got this phone for a good price, not $1,000. Anyway, I digress. It matches, I think it matches well with it, which was like kind of what I was going for. It might not even match well with it, and if that's the case, then I am an idiot. I could get space gray to grow my laptop, which is what I thought about doing, but I'm liking this gold aesthetic lately, especially if rose gold, whatever it is. Here it is. Here's this bad boy right here. You see, you got the new bezel-less, no Face ID, but you do got your Touch ID right here, which I'm pretty excited to have Touch ID over. I'm excited to have Touch ID over Face ID, because sometimes Face ID is a little bit annoying on the iPad. I'll be honest with you. People will tell you otherwise. This is how I feel. All right, this is the rose gold. It looks pretty nice. All right, I'm gonna get fingerprints in this. So I'm being like, I'm gonna show you what's in the box. You get paperwork, you get 2 Apple stickers versus you're gonna see how much you get in there. You get your USB-C, and you get something that you do not get this in the iPhone box. So this is I believe this is a 20-watt charger. It is indeed a 20-watt charge. You can see right there. I have an 18 watt, so this 20-watt is going to be perfect for when I get the MagSafe charger, which doesn't come for like another 3 weeks or so because I missed out on getting it for launch day because I was being too slow. Quickly, ever so fast, ever so quickly, just go through what these stuff are. This is a paper-like film for the iPad. This one is for iPad 11 Pro 2018 edition and 2020. So it also fits on the Air because it's the same dimensions. So I don't think I really need to open up the screen protector, so I'm not gonna do that. But I will show you the case that I got, and I will actually put it on. So this case is from ESR, protected tablet case. Got from Amazon for about, I don't want to say no more than $20. I do not buy Apple official cases because they're way too expensive. I'm sorry, Apple cases cost like way too much money, and it's not. I don't think it's worth it. We could get a similar case for the way cheaper price. So this, I believe, also is for the iPad Pro, but once again, you could use it for the Air. So what I like about this one over the Apple case is this right here. It keeps your pen safe. So okay, so you basically open up like that. All right, that's gone. You gotta load that. All right, so yeah, so basically, let's try it on. All right, so let's get the iPad back out here. Got fingerprints on there. They want to do that. All right, so all right. I'm telling you, this is not easy stuff. Like, all right. So basically, it's magnetic. So, well, bam, I believe it's connected. I don't even, and that's it. This is a pretty nice case. It's good quality. It feels nice and soft. You see the camera cut out there. So I say notes for the Air. Let me give the pen. So got my Apple Pen right here. And it should be able to charge it still. So basically you smack it on there so it's charging and you close it. If this is not cool to you and better than Apple, then you're a sheep. But yeah, I'm satisfied with this case. I think this case is a really nice quality case. And what I like about Apple cases is because, like, you know how they have that material. I'm pretty sure it's probably the same material, but when you touch it with like greasy hands, like say you lotion your hands, they're a little bit moist and oily still, and you touch your case, that's it. It's gonna look ugly. It's gonna look nasty. And so why would I spend $60 for a case that's gonna look used within a month when this is like half a third the price? If it looks nasty, I'll buy a new one. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's the name of the game. All right, so gonna put it to the side. And so since we're in the process of talking about the case, the iPad, we're gonna just move on to the accessories I got for it and for my MacBook. This is the Magic Trackpad. So we're just gonna open this up real quick. And surprise, Apple does not give you an easy access like to do the rest of their products. That's pretty annoying. All right. Magic Trackpad. You just slide it out. Take that bell. Oh, you get. Hold up. I got an issue with this already. I understand this was probably made a few years ago. I get it. But fam, what is this USB? What is this USB? If I'm buying this for my computer, right? I know it's Bluetooth and all, but I'm sure you gotta charge it. What is this USB, yo? We don't use this no more, Apple. Come on, man. Update your product and put a USB-C in this. Like, I'm sorry. That's annoying. I had two. I don't know what they had no more. I don't know what one is that. I have this. I have this. So, like, yeah, this is okay, but so we have this right here. That's the Magic Trackpad. And now you open it up. So I wanted the space gray one, but like, honestly, if talking about being like conservative with prices and stuff, I'm not gonna pay $30, $20 extra to get a space gray mouse pad just because it matches with my computer. I don't see why it costs more. That's just stupid. So I bought skin, and hopefully the skin works well. But this is it. Is this not screen hit? Nope. Okay, so yeah, this is it. It's the Magic Trackpad. It is a nice size. Really nice size. Feels good. Feels kind of glossy. I'm happy I got a matte thing because this feels way too glossy for me. But I am a fan. I am a fan. You know, this would go good with my iPad when it's docked. So super excited for that. All right, this is just paperwork, and you know you get the stupid USB cable. This multi-device Logitech keyboard. I was super pumped to get this. Oh my. So I need I've been looking for a good USB keyboard, and you know, I was being cheap. This is already kind of cheap of a keyboard, but like, I was like, man, $30, $35, like almost $20, you know. So I didn't buy it, but then once I realized that it is a multi-device, multi-connected keyboard, I'm like, let me just get this instead. I was gonna get a Magic Keyboard, but once again, $100. I'm not cheap, y'all. I'm just, you know, you just gotta watch your spending, man. The older you get, the more you realize you can't be spending your money on a bunch of random stuff. All right. Here we go. This Logitech keyboard right here. So you can connect up to, I believe, 3 devices with this. It says it right in the back. You can see this up to 3. So me, I will connect this to my Note for when I use Dex. I'll connect it to my iPad, and I'll connect it to my MacBook. So here's the Logitech keyboard. It feels great in hands. The keys feel pretty darn amazing. Feels really good. I'm excited to use this with my devices, and I think it'll be pretty I think it's a pretty cool piece of tech just to have. Finally, down to the main event of the evening. The iPhone. Right here. This bad boy right here. The iPhone Pro. Alright. So, get ready, y'all. Alright, you ready? Boom. Boom. Y'all don't do that what I just did, because I think I probably just broke my phone. Here we go. Ooh, in person looks way better. The light right now in my room is not hitting, yo. It's not hitting. Hold on, let me see if I can move my lamp closer. Let's get some light. that was a bad idea. That was a bad idea. All right, but this is it. In person, oh no. In person, I was scared that I won't like the gold, but my goodness, this looks beautiful. It really does. Wow, fingerprints already on the sides. This gold, oh my goodness. Yo, fam, look at this. I kind of want to turn the camera off and just like be alone with this phone and just unbox it myself, because it's just that beautiful. I wish I had better lighting right now, because look at the gold. Oh my gosh. And the size, I was worried I wasn't gonna like the small size. Whew. What a concern for no reason. So like you said, in the box, you're only gonna get this. That's it. You're not getting a charging brick. So if you don't have a USB-C charging brick, yeah, buy one, because you're kind of out of luck at that point. SIM card tool and Apple stickers and paperwork. Not much. Keeping it slow. I never used Apple stickers in my life. They're cool to have, but I never actually used one. And I mean, I don't think I plan on using one anytime soon. All right. Wow. So back to the phone. Look at the gold on the sides, yo. This gold looks premium. Way better than the blue. Hey, if I got the blue, I ain't messing with that blue. The size of, oh my gosh, this feels great in the hand, guys. This feels great in the hands. I've been, ever since, man, the first iPhone I got was a 6, so they had the squared off edges. And one of the reasons I wanted an iPhone was the squared off edges, and I never had it. But now, I gotta remember the cameras over here. But now, I finally do. All right. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna move that stuff. All right, so now this is, I believe, the screen protector. So I'm just gonna open this real quick as the last few items. Okay. That's in there. So yeah, this is from screen protector from Taurus. Never used screen protector from them before, but they look really good quality. I'm not gonna open up screen protector. I don't even know why I did that in the first place. And this is the case. So the case and the screen protector from them. I didn't realize that until I got them in the hand. So the case is here. It's just a clear case. It's not anything fancy. I wanted this clear because I wanted to show off the phone, man. Show you how it fits inside. Well, look, okay. Show you how it fits inside. Make sure I got a screen protector this time. The first time I got a my 11 Pro. Oh my gosh. The first time I got 11 Pro, I didn't have a screen protector because I bought it randomly, and I scratched the top of it within like a day. All right, there we go. Looks good in the case. I mean, can't complain, you know. Cannot complain at all. So that's it. So quickly, why did I get a 512 gigabyte instead of, if I'm trying to be more conservative? Well, one, I didn't get a Pro. That's the first thing. I didn't get a Pro Max, let's say, because I felt like the Pro Max was going to be overkill. But why did I get a 512 gigabyte is because currently I'm paying for iCloud storage. iCloud storage, I pay for 2 terabyte, and it gets costly, you know. You're paying $10 a month for 2 terabytes, and small costs add up frequently. So if I'm paying for iCloud storage, $9.99 every month, then you got other things you gotta account. You gotta account for your phone bill. You gotta account for all these streaming services coming out these days, Disney, Netflix, all this other stuff. All that adds up to a high total for your monthly costs. So I'm like, why would I pay money for that when I can just buy a high gigabyte storage phone and leave it at that, you know? And that's where my head was thinking. So that's exactly what I did. I feel like that would be a much smarter decision than paying for these services monthly. But that's what I'm talking about. All right, so thank you for coming to the first ever unboxing roulette. This is the all those boxes for 4 main products I'm going to use at the end of the day. The Logitech Multi-Device keyboard, Magic Trackpad, iPad Air, and iPhone 12 Pro. Thank you for watching my first video. This is quite a long one, but you know these unboxings get pretty dang long. So I hope you watched it. I hope you enjoyed it. What I'm going to do next is going to use these 2 devices for a while. I'm going to probably do a overview within a week or a few days, and then my full review will be out by the end of the month. Taking my time with these devices, not going to rush a review just to be the first one. That's not how you get a quality recommendation. I'm not going to just drop a review like tonight, because that's not how you get a quality review. You need to use it, and really evaluate it, and that's what my job is to do here. Bought this all my own money. No one is going to tell me what to say or what not to say. Honest reviews for at least these 2 products. I don't really think I need to review these 2, but maybe I will in the future. If you do want to see a review on the Logitech keyboard and the Magic Trackpad, let me know. Also, other thing on the pen to review while I'm here is this Apple Watch SE. Drop it in the middle, and honestly, I'm going to give you a review of the best headphones in the world. The Sony XM4. The naming scheme is horrible, but I'm going to review at least these 4 products right there. I'm going to review those in the coming weeks. And that's where we're going to start this channel off. Super excited to get started, and I can't wait to see where this goes. So thank you for watching. Peace out, y'all.